Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for the best Forex brokers in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 brokers that stand out for their spreads, execution, safety, and overall trading experience. IC markets, fusion markets, and XM. I'll cover who they're best for, their main features, and why regulation matters so much when choosing a broker. Plus, all official sign-up links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Let's start with IC Markets. This Australian-born broker is hugely popular with scalpers and algorithmic traders because it offers some of the tightest spreads in the industry, starting from 0.0 pips on major pairs. IC Markets also delivers ultra-fast execution speeds using servers located close to major liquidity providers. You can trade on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or cTrader, making it flexible for all trading styles. Plus, IC Markets offers access to over 220 instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Official IC Markets sign-up link is in the description below. Use it to get the best support and features. Next up is Fusion Markets, known for being one of the most affordable brokers out there. They offer raw spreads with super low commissions, only $2.25 per lot per side, which is one of the lowest in the market. Fusion Markets is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, including Seychelles and Vanuatu, which adds an extra layer of security. No minimum deposit requirement means you can start small and scale up when ready. Their platform supports MT4 and MT5, and the user interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Official Fusion Markets sign-up link is below, perfect for traders wanting low costs without compromising on execution. Finally, we have XM, a global broker trusted by millions. XM offers a wide range of account types, including micro accounts for beginners and ultra-low spread accounts for experienced traders. They're well known for their bonuses like the $30 no deposit bonus and deposit match bonuses, which can help you start trading with extra capital. XM provides extensive educational resources, webinars, tutorials, and daily market analysis, making it ideal for newer traders. You can trade Forex, stocks, metals, and cryptocurrencies on MT4 and MT5. Official XM link with bonuses is in the description if you want to explore their offerings. Now, let's talk about regulation and safety, which is crucial when choosing a broker. IC Markets Global is regulated by the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles, FSA, ensuring strict compliance to protect your funds. Fusion Markets holds licenses from the Seychelles Financial Services Authority and the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, VFSC. They also keep client funds segregated in Tier 1 banks, so your money stays safe and separate from company funds. XM is regulated by multiple authorities: the Belize Financial Services Commission, the Mauritius Financial Services Commission, and the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. This multi-jurisdiction regulation adds layers of trust and safety for millions of traders worldwide. So to recap, choose IC Markets if you want ultra-low spreads, fast execution, and a pro-level trading environment. Go with Fusion Markets if saving on trading fees is your priority. Pick XM if you're a beginner looking for bonuses, education, and a smooth learning curve. All the official links are in the description below for your convenience. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trading tips and broker reviews. Let me know in the comments, which broker are you using or planning to try? Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart and stay safe.